How do you make money online in 2026? Okay, if you have asked me this question 3 years ago or even last year, even at the beginning of this year, I will give you a straight answer. I will say acquire a skill, then start freelancing or start working remotely, looking for clients and all of that. But if you ask me that same question right now, my answer is going to be different because this is 2026 and a lot of things has changed. So in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, how do you make money online in 2026 legally? Brush up your skill. So I'm not saying acquire skill in that sense. I'm saying brush up your skill. Now, what is the difference? There's the big difference between acquiring skill and brushing up your skill. Acquiring skill can be like, okay, what skill can I acquire? You go online, acquire, maybe copywriting, graphic design, video editing skill. Then brushing up your skill is actually finding out what's the thing that you're really good at, and polishing it, brushing it up and making yourself better at doing that thing. So that is like the first stage. And I believe everybody be like, okay, I'm not good at anything. It's not true. I believe everybody, we are all unique and we all have something that we are good at. So it still falls in the, finding out what you're good at and polishing it. So that kind of, somehow like acquiring your skill. But here's the difference. The difference is that you are not brushing your skill or acquiring the skill, so to say, to go look for jobs, to go look for freelance gigs, to go look for remote jobs. Like, I think that era is gradually coming to an end. A lot of people have not discovered it. Like, this whole freelancing stuff is still working. But I think like in another phase, starting from 2020, obviously you can see that AI is already in the picture. So once you like find out what you do, how to do, what you like to do, what you're interested in, what you are kind of skilled at, when you brush it up, the next thing to do is solving a problem. Now, there's a difference between acquiring a skill like we used to do, and then finding a job, finding clients. Things are different now. So when you find out what you know how to do, what you like to do, what you are good at, the next thing is also to find a problem to solve in that space. It's about problem solving, and anybody can solve a problem. And you don't have to be like the most skilled writer or the most skilled designer for you to solve a problem. Acquiring skill, you're just learning something because you want to sell it out, because you learn how to write. For instance, you want to start writing for companies, they pay you to write for them. That's like the old playbook, and somehow it's difficult to like make a lot of money following this route. You can make money, but it's going to be active. You're going to be actively selling your services. So if you want to like get to a place where you can make money online through different income streams, it starts by actually finding out what you're good at and solving problems. Now, why I started from, some people would just say, okay, find problems and solve problems. That's how you make money. Yeah, that's the basic truth. Solving problem is the principle of making money, even offline and online. That is what it is. But if you do not know something very well, if you don't have interest in it, if you are not skilled at it, you don't even know how. You might find a problem, but you might not even know how to solve that problem. So that's why I'll say brush up your skill. The second thing you need to do is to start to create visibility about that thing that you like, about that thing that you know how to do more than the average person, about that skill that you have. So you see the difference that normally before, immediately you acquire a skill, the next thing is to go and look for people, go and find clients, go and find businesses. But now you're going to be coming from an angle of a solution provider. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? This thing is different. So let's say you like to write. Then the next thing you want to go and do is to actually start writing. Go and start writing about things that interest you. Because you want to create visibility. That is only the people who get seen that actually get opportunity. So no matter how good you are, if you are not seen, you cannot get opportunity. You might be watching this video and be like, oh, what's this girl saying? I'm even better than her. I know how to do this thing more than her. Yeah, you might be better than me, but you are not visible. Like, nobody knows what you can do or what you have or all of those stuff. So that is why it is very important. So the moment you figure out what you know how to do, I believe that if you are above 18 years and above, or even lesser, if you are younger, you already have that unique advantage. You already have that unique talent. Maybe I don't have any talent. That unique thing, what you like to. If you like to teach, teach. You understand? Start creating visibility around what you do is very important. And the surprising thing that even the job you might be looking for might just come from that thing that you're this is like the most important thing. When you start to do something, you start to experience challenges. That is how life is. But do you know the good thing about challenges? Challenges are opportunities to make money. So when I experience a challenge, oh, why is this thing not working? I'm trying something, it's not working out. That is a problem. And because that problem is in my domain, as I, trying to navigate that challenge, I learn more about the challenge. And when I eventually when I eventually, get victory over that child, I'm able to like solve that problem. I know the problem, I know the solution, and I can talk about that solution. I can sell the solution to a lot of people. So when I actually started freelancing remote job, it was like, where can I find this remote job? How can I find remote jobs hiring Africans? How can I get remote job hiring Nigerians? How can I get remote job without experience? These were genuinely the questions I had. It was a challenge for me at that particular time. So because I was faced with that challenge, I was looking for ways to solve that challenge because I was trying to navigate that problem. Then while doing so, I discovered a solution. Oh, there's this strategy. Oh, I can do like I try something. Oh, it works. This was that was how I started to talk about it. And I have helped, I can't even count how many people I've helped, eventually land remote job, get a freelance gig, get clarity about what they're doing. And people have sent me a lot of testimonials. Why? Because I had a challenge. So every time there is a challenge, every time you have a challenge, just know that that is an opportunity to make money, opportunity to create a solution. Every challenge you are experiencing, you can actually solve that problem. And when you do, you've created a solution, and you can sell that solution to hundreds, thousands, millions of people, billions all over the world. So that is key. That is the difference, because nowadays when you have AI, it's not really about the skill. Because if you go and acquire a skill, for instance, oh, I want to learn how to write so that I can make money. When you learn how to, if you're learning how to write right now, I'm going to just tell you the truth. If you're learning how to write right now in 2026, you are going to be an entry level person. And the truth is that entry level jobs are the jobs that AI tools are doing. Come on, AI tools are doing this thing and even better than many entry level people. So why should I pay someone who just started learning how to write, pay them $100, $200 to write, when a free AI tool, Claude, even ChatGPT can write the same thing and even better? Makes no sense, right? So if you are just starting out, if you find your skill or if you acquire the skill, don't be in a hurry to start to look for clients and start to look for jobs, because you are not good yet. Nobody's going to hire or wants to be paying heavily, wants to pay a lot to someone who is just starting when there are AI tools. So AI tools have the skill. So the only thing that will give you an advantage is solving the problem. And the best kind of problems to solve are problems that you have experienced yourself, because you know this problem very well. You know the name, you know her name, you know how to navigate this problem, because that's your experience. That is the edge you have in these times that we have AI tools, and these AI tools are getting more sophisticated. See, it just can only get better. So it's not for us to live in denial and say, oh, AI cannot be as good as human. Let's accept the reality that these AI tools are doing amazing and it's only get better. So the only way we can surmount this is to bring our personality. What can AI not do? Your own experience. AI doesn't have a story. AI doesn't have experience. AI is not living, but you have a story. You have an experience. Every child, just think in your mind, what are the difficult things that I've experienced in my life and I was able to scale through? What are those things? You write them down. How was I able to scale them through? Once you have a list of these things, start to talk about your solutions. And the great thing is that you'll be helping other people, and you'll also be putting yourself as this person, this boy or this girl who has the solution to A, B, and C thing. You understand what I'm trying to say? Like that is the foundation to making money online in 2026. So that is the route to go. So once you start to solve problem, the more you start to solve that problem, the deeper you get into it and the better solutions you can provide. Then you can now use AI to like create the interface, like to like help people, solve that problem. Now let me give you an example. There was a woman that talked about some health challenges that her child passed through, and her husband, it was like a terminal kind of health challenge that they will have to live through for the rest of their lives. But she started to research, she started to research healthy food, like she was researching about diet and all of those things. And fortunately for her, she was able to, help her family members get healed, cured from that particular ailments, and through nutrition and diets and all of those things. Now that is a challenge she faced, and now she's able to overcome that challenge. Now she has a solution. So a different when I watched that video, different people were asking, oh, how can you do this? What are the names of the food? People just started to ask questions. And if she wants to take it a bit further, she can create an AI avatar, create an AI tool, and every question that she will input all of the information she has into the AI tool, and people can ask the AI, people that are in that same situation can ask the AI to, instead of her responding to people one after the other, can ask the AI to the questions, and the AI to will respond to them. You understand? And she might charge a subscription fee. So there are many businesses like that, but it is in solving your problem. So maybe your problem is that you figured out how to have a good skin without skincare or something, and you can just start to talk about it and start to create solutions. That is the easiest way to make money online. Going this formal route of acquire a skill, get a job, like that place is like collapsing. I'm not saying forever, but these things are collapsing. So the thing that can help you stand out in this AI, apocalypse is actually solving a problem and using your experiences to solve the problem. So the next time you encounter any challenge, don't get frustrated. Say, oh God, why is this thing happening to me? Just see it as an opportunity for you to create a solution and make money out of, like, this is the way to actually make money online in 2026, and AI is there to help you. So whatever you've thought about, whatever your solution is, this is the solution. Go to any AI to use Claude AI, ChatGPT. How can I productize this thing? How can I make it accessible to a lot of people without having to sell, like, exchange time for and all of those things. And once you'll be able to get visibility around the solutions that you are offering, you will see that you start to make money. This is it. This is it, guys. If you're asking that question, this is it. You can start with 0 naira. You don't need any capital. This is how to make money in 2026. Money online. I hope this helps somebody, because this is what is changing my mind right now. This is the mindset in which I'm working with. And on this channel, I think I'm going to start talking about money, start talking about finances more often, and less about remote jobs, because I feel like everybody on this channel wants to make more money, and I'm going to be sharing my experiences about the things I'm doing to make more money and all of that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.